Hon ciałanen, باشن از باشم مالا وابا دوه درس كمان هبو بخونده كارا من يا بنابي فلورنس ره و فلورنسي دي درسي دا قوت هن verb هنه as هرتم وان تبهفدك I always mix them up as هرتم وان تبهفدك من جي قوت عملي سروان بخبتن و پاشا من قوت از دكارم فيديو که یوتیوبی چکم جبرکو هک سر فلورنس تبلی هف بوبه سر خونده کارندن جی تبلی هف دبه و ایرو امه لسر هن وربن گلکی بکر هاتی very useful لگلکی تبهف تبلی هف confusing بخبتن رو پلکه والا وکم دقیقه هونه ببینن اوکی شیر لبر تمام اره پیشی Florence got verba standin. Çawa the present de çavaya de demabori de çavaya as hat mutabli haftekim. Peşi first standin معناها واتيا standin çiye. Standin to get, to take و لقلك باجاران لقلك جهان in many cities regions it's used like to buy as well. Okay, so we have Korean, but also you may hear standin, okay? And for this verb, the present stem is stin. It's the present stem. And the past stem is stand. Okay? So, مثلا, so stin stand. The different one, so let's imagine you saw these two stems in the same page, but you don't know which one is present, past. So the similar one, the one who is very similar to verb is past, but the one which is different is present, okay? Or, so it's like getting, taking, buying. So مثلا تدخوازي est-ce que je market bestin? What do you want me to get or buy from the market? تدخوازي est-ce je market bestin? So here it is bestinum, it is subjunctive form, so present subjunctive. You use the present form because تدخوازي est-ce bestinum. Okay, so here there are two verbs and the second one should be with b. تدخوازي est-ce bestinum. Or present tense مثل as إنها je دولابي جاكيت خو destinum. I am getting my jacket from the wardrobe. Okay, as إنها je دولابي جاكيت خو destinum. Or دو دماغوري دو ما je souke from the bazaar ما je souke قالك تشت standin. So we got or we purchased many things from the souk. Okay, دو ما je souke قالك تشت standin. و فلورنسيا قلت أزهرت من دبهيزم I always hear مالباتا ميري من دبيجي بستينم etc. So بستينم or بستيني it's subjunctive form, right? Present subjunctive. So the usage, so you can use present subjunctive form in many cases. Okay, first, if it is the second verb, if it is future, etc., you already know this. Le, if you are making any suggestions. So first, for suggestions, use subjunctive, present subjunctive. So you can say, so you are in the market, you are asking your partner or your friends, should I get this one or this one? Shall I get this one or that one? Okay, so as webstinum on webstin. Should I get this one or this one? Webstinum. Okay, so always if there is a suggestions, invitation, or asking like or someone's opinion, you use subjunctive. مثلا du چه دبیجی? What do you think? از وی بستین. از وی بستین. Should I take this? Should I get this? Should I buy this? As we bistinen. Okay, so this is very important because don't use present tense with suggestions. You always need subjunctive form. Okay, so this is important. Oh, don't forget when we use standin in the past tense. So we conjugate it according to object, right? Because of the ergativity rule in Kurmanji. So if you are taking something, only one thing, or getting only one thing, buying one thing, مثلا من noun stand. I bought a bread. Okay? But if the number is increasing more than one, من دون standin. Okay, من دون standin. Or let's say he or she got me or took me. So we enjoy as standem because of as object the verb should get okay, standem. We as standem. تمام. This is important rule. In the past, if your verb is transitive, standen is transitive, transitive. So you need to apply the ergativity rules, okay? The conjugation of verb depends on the object. وفهمك. So this was one of the verb for Florence. Confusing. I thought you need to use this one as well. You need to learn, practice this one as well. Okay, verb. We got xistin. So xistin, it's an amazing verb because with some prepositions it changes a lot. Okay, so xistin is basically to put. Okay, to put or to hit. To hit. Okay, to hit. So for the meaning of hitting or playing, I will write just to put. But if you use this verb with le something or someone xistin, if it is an instrument, piano, guitar, kaman, it's to play an instrument. But if it is a person, it means to hit someone. Okay, so present as le guitare dchem. دخم. The present time is only خ. Okay, دخم. But أو لبراي خو دخ. He or she is beating his or her brother. أو لبراي خو دخ. أو لبراي خو دخ. So it is because when you play instrument, then somehow it's like hitting someone, right? Yeah, of course, hitting a person is more Joe, but hitting. Okay, so you hit the instrument, you hit your brother, or you play your brother. Again, this is important. And if you use xistin with the prepositions nav, xistin nav, it's to put into, to put into. مثلا as پرتوکن درس کردی دخم ناف چنته خو. Actually, you can use without nav as well. Okay, but also with nav. Nav is inside. Okay, so I'm putting inside into. As دخم ناف چنته خو or as دخم چنته خو. Also correct. Okay. As دخم چنته خو. So خ is the present stem. Let me write it here. Present stem is only خ, one letter. And the past stem is خست. So من it's transitive. من لجيتار خست. من لجيتار خست. Or we, let's say he, وی لبرای خو خست. وی لبرای خو خست. Okay? And this one من پرتوکن درس کردی خستن چنته خو. Okay? من پرتوکن درس کردی خستن چنته خو. So here خستن چما شباركو پرتوک گلکن many books, right? من پرتوکن درس کردی خستن چنته خو. So this was confusing for Florence. Oh, جبير نكن. So when we say to put, it can in إنجليزي بإنجليزي I put my notebook on my table or yeah on my table. Like Kurmanji, when you yes xistin, it's only putting into somewhere, okay, not put on somewhere. Be careful. If you want to say I put it on somewhere, it will be another verb, danîn, which was very hard for Florence. It is like I think in Russian we have same thing. When it is you are putting on somewhere, it is classed, and when it is put something, it is something else. Okay, so be careful. So xistin is not so min deste xwe danî sermaseye, but not xist sermase. Okay, so you put into when you use xistin. So min deste xwe xist berika xwe to my pocket. Okay, this is important. Allez, ou so the other verb for Florence, it was danîn, which was to put, to place, okay, to place on somewhere. So it was danîn, to place. So as you see, the anin, so anin is to bring, but with the, it becomes danîn, to place, okay, to put, to place on somewhere. Okay, this verb is a little bit irregular because لگندمه لكربورانا رنگين, we say as the danîn, I am putting present. But my husband family, dveje, as datinum. So datinum is like tinum from anin, and da is the prefix, datinum. Okay, but just if you hear as the danîn, you will hear it and you have to learn it. Okay, so to the daini, to datini, to datini. أو دديني أو داتيني أم هن أو ددينن أم هن أو ددينن و داتين داتين. And to make it negative here, so it will be na as نادينم to ناديني أو ناديني أم هن أو نادينن. But with datinum, it's different because it is danîn, danîn. I'm not putting. Danayini, danayini. Danayine, danayine. O danayinin. Tamam? This is negative form of the present. And past is easy because dani is the present stem. Min dani, tad dani, we dani, and then you can change it depending on the object. Here, like I put it, I placed it. Min awdani, ta awdani. If it is plural, min gallek seni, plates. Min gallek seni, danin sarmasayeh. So, and here, yeah, you use it with preposition ser, to place on something. Danin ser tişteki. Or imperative form of this verb, it's very useful. So I'm sure you have know how to make it imperative. You need present stem and then with b, like subjunctive form. But the danîn is works like a compound verb like çekirin ve xwarin. That's why you don't need any b and you don't need any d. So it will be danîn. Okay. U b'jibo datinum, again it will be dana. I think it will be the same. Daynin You guys, you put it, okay? Or in subjunctive, so it is دين. For example, as دفتر دين سرماسة. Shall I place it on the table? Or ديني. Okay, this is subjunctive form, so you can use it as well. Or so I didn't talk about the subjunctive form of xistin. So first, imperative. So بخ is basically, or بخن, okay, بخن. Or again, for present subjunctive form, like shall I put it, shall I play it, shall I hit it? So you will say as بخم, or as جلت بخم دولابه. Shall I put your clothes into your wardrobe? Anji as the bride بخم. Shall I hit your brother? Okay, so get used to usage of subjunctive. It's very important and very useful. You will hear it a lot, especially in real life when people speak, because we always do suggestions, we give ideas, we ask ideas. Okay, so you need subjunctive form. Okay. Oh, it has been 16 minutes that I am speaking. في 16 دقيقة 17 دقيقة as the paper. As the wisdom. I really get tired very quickly. جبروي ام في درسي اللي خلاص بقت. Let's finish it this lesson. There are some other verbs. As a 1G the video يكادن تشيكو باشا. أري أف فكر هات بيرامن ومن خست فيديو يكي تشيكم هكا verb عندن هبن سري وتبلي هفدكن أم دكارن بحبر الوان بنعرف. Okay, so if you have any verbs, confusing verbs in your mind, so if you write as a commentary, I will happily check them as a one حمويا control بكم, and we can do some videos. باشا قلت سباس روجا ودما وبمينا خوش حتى فيديو يكدن بخاطري